Hey everyone, welcome to Kyon channel, and today I'll be unboxing Chocollect for Love Life Sunshine. So this box was released 2 days ago, which is 25th of February. But in January, the Gashapon version of this series was released. And I managed to get the Watanabe Yo for both 01 and 02. In this video, I will be unboxing the special box, and we will compare the minifigure inside this box with the Gashapon version 1, and we will see the difference between them. Let's start by checking the box. So this is the front, Bandai. Then this side, Chocollect Love Life Sunshine. And here's the top. And the bottom, there's nothing. The content, just card. So inside there's bubble wraps. So 1, 2, 3. So here are the contents of the box. 3 stage parts and minifigure for all the Aquas members. So let's start from looking at the stage. So the stage is clear blue, nicely molded. You can see here, and then it has some clear sea plants. It's really nice. And here's another one. The bottom part is hollow, and then the center part, it has a Aquas logo printed on the surface. Next, I will be looking at the figure. So this is the Watanabe Yo from the box. What I have here is the Gashapon's version. So compare it side by side, taking a look around it. This is the back, the side, and the front. As you could see here, whether it's the posing or the face, there's no much different. I could safely assume they are the same things, except the coloring on it. As you could see, for the special version 1, the coloring on it is metallic. When you look closely at the shirt too, you could see the special one is the coloring is metallic, while the normal version 1 is just matte coloring. And then one of the most special things about the special figure is actually the end of their hair. So as you could see, the end of it is clear parts. You can see it's slightly transparent, while the normal one is just matte coloring. But for the ribbon parts, you can see the clear parts are obviously the same. While there are no much difference between the Gashapon version and the special version, all the metallic colorings on the special version and how the hairs over here is transparent, it makes it very special, and I think the special box is really something worth to get. By the way, this is the Watanabe Yo's figure from the Gashapon 02. As you can see, the hand gesture and the face expression is a bit different. So without further ado, let's take a look at other figure. So here I have the Chika. So it's very pretty. I really love the half transparent orange hair, as you can see. And it also comes with parts that where you clip the leg onto it. it could stand still on a flat surface. And next I have Daya. So taking a look around it. For Daya, I also has the Gashapon version 1. So compare it side by side. So the coloring is different, and the clear parts for Daya's one is slightly different. As you can see, the Gashapon's one is a bit darker. Then yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. And it also has a stand, clip it, then you could sit still on a flat surface. Ruby. So taking a look around Ruby. Very cute. Kanamaru. So taking a look around it. The bright yellow is very nice. Yoshiko. So taking a look around it. And for Yoshiko, it also comes with a clear part like this, so that you could support Yoshiko from the hand. The Rico's one. So taking a look around it. And here I have the Mari's one. So purple with yellow hair. Clipping it. And lastly, I have the Kanan's one. So you can see the tips is a bit transparent. Clip it. Each figure is between 3 cm to 4 cm in size. Since there is no instruction to it, I will first try to display it according to the cover. And here it is. I have the full set of Chocollect Love Life Sunshine, a special set by Premium Bandai. As you can see, all the figures are on a very nice clear blue stitch, and each of them has metallic color on their shirts and hair accessories, and part of their hairs are transparent. It's really nice. I really love this set. That's it for today's video, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.